Alright guys, so as most of you guys have seen, the last video of the Galant was taking it to the track and breaking a rear axle. I'm not going to fix that yet. My plan is to get this car ready for street car takeover, and the more time consuming part that I really need to do right now is changing out that radiator. So I'm going to unbox my new radiator for the Galant. It is an eBay one. The one that's currently on it is a $600 radiator, but I'll go over that in the next video. I can't afford another $600 radiator after spending so much on the clutch and the transmission rebuild. So I had to go to the cheaper option, and we're going to throw on an eBay one. So let's go ahead and see how this guy is. Grab something real quick. This is from a Volkswagen, because my radiator's tucked. Let me see if I can find the link for it, because I can't even remember which one it is. Give me. I can't even say the model of Volkswagen this is from. I can't even say it. I don't know. I'm gonna put it in the description. I can't say that model. I don't know. But let's check out this radiator. There it is. My eBay radiator, guys. I hope this works. So there's a little bit of modification that we have to do to this. We're going to add a temp sensor here somewhere. We have to cut these off and weld in AN fittings for my coolant lines, which is why I'm taking this one off and I'm taking it to a friend so he could do that. Add in, weld in the temp sensor, and we're probably gonna have to plug this guy. I don't know. I feel like this is gonna be a little bit pain. The tabs to mount it have to be welded on here too. There's a little bit of work, to get this guy in there. Shoot, I hope this radiator works, but there it is, guys. It's an eBay aluminum radiator. I'll put the link in the description. It's $130 versus a $600 radiator. But yeah, guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and start working on this. So the next video will be removing the old radiator and probably comparing the two. But don't forget, guys, like, share the video, subscribe. More videos to come on the Galant. I am going to fix the rear end on it, the axle that broke, but that'll be in later videos. Okay, guys? Thank you, guys.